afternoon, petecurians. Yes, we have made tomatoes with the tomato sauce. We've made meatballs with the tomato sauce. Today, we're doing something different, something innovative. Are you ready for it? Let's go. Today, we're cooking chili crab with the tomato sauce. And the best part is, it only takes 15 minutes of your life. Isn't that a solid deal? Come along, petecurians. I'll show you how it's done. Two cloves of garlic, 10 grams of ginger, 400 grams of basic tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili paste, 650 grams of crabs, 150 ml chicken stock, 1 whole egg, a handful of coriander. Slice the garlic, roughly chop the ginger, four tablespoons of vegetable oil on a hot skillet or wok. In with your ginger and garlic. Gently sweat them till they are soft. Next, add in your chili paste. Cook your chili paste through before adding in your tomato sauce. Mix them well. Bring it to the boil before adding in your crab. You can get your fishmonger to sort out your crabs for you. Mix them well before adding in your chicken stock. And continue to mix them well. Put on the lid and let the steam cook the crab. Taste before seasoning with salt, pepper and sugar. Bring it to the boil before adding in your whole egg. Give it a quick mix. And there you have it, the easiest and the quickest chili crab that you have ever made in your life. How about that? Does that tickle your taste bud? This isn't just any ordinary dish. This dish has a story behind it. In fact, all of my recipe has a story behind it. If you scroll down to the description box, you can read more about the recipes. And if you scroll up a bit, there's the like and the subscribe button, which could definitely use your help. I'll be off then. See you in Japan. Cheerio.